Welcome all of you class. I am Durgesh Kumar Pandey. Class, today I am going to explain a chapter in a class 11 and the name of this chapter is Liberty. Class, many people in our surrounding, they were taking both the words liberty and freedom, both are synonyms to each other. But class, actually these two words are not the synonyms to each other. They have some difference. Okay? But in behavior we are talking both are the same thing. Class, the word liberty is come from liberatum. And this is a Latin word which means condition of a free man. And similarly, freedom is come from an English word freedom, which means state of free will. Class, so liberty come from a Latin word liberated term. It means a condition of a free man. And freedom is come from an English word freedom. It means the state of a free will. Okay, class? Both the words have some differences. They are not same. They have some basic differences, class, between these two terminology. Class, liberty means power to act. Class, and everyone have a power to act and express own self according to their will. Class, but freedom is to decide one's action. Okay, so there is these two different words have some differences. Similarly, liberty means free to do something. Class means so class, freedom is a more concrete answer than liberty, which is more related to the connection of people with the state rather than the connection of individual with others and circumstances. Class means in the liberty, the people and the states are connected. And this is the main thing. The state provide the liberty, and under this liberty, people enjoy freedom. Class, okay, means the liberty given by the state, and this freedom is come under this. Okay, class. State provide the freedom to the citizen by the liberty. It grants the freedom to the citizen. Class. But class, if we are looking, liberty is a freedom to do something, free to do something. Liberty means free to do something, but Freedom means free from something. Class. Class, the common feature between these two concepts, liberty and freedom, is कि both are unconstrained. Means they have a need to rightfully, they ethically, they accepted among the people, feel to realization of free from the any type of constraint. These are the common feature class. So both the thing are ethically accepted class. So कि both the remain unconstrained is the common feature between the liberty and freedom class. So class, we are going to discuss the another thing कि I want to introduce about something J.S. Mill. J.S. Mill was a great man. He thought his views in his book on liberty. In this book, he was saying about the key what is liberty, and in his book he was and saying कि there is some truth in the view of our speech on anyone. So we should be carefully listen the words of other. And J.S. Mill, when he was child, his parents was trained them. Their parents were trying to enhance their skill by their own teacher, by John Bentham. But initially, parents was focused about their study, and that is why after some time he was going in the frustration, and he was not feel easy because his childhood was going in the study. So after 18 year, 19 year, he was going in the depression. But after the marriage, he was start writing and expressing their views. So when he was writing on liberty, he was express their own views कि what is liberty class. J.S. Mill's father, John Mill, was also a great political thinker. He wrote a book, The History of British India, and that is why East India Company was very happy with the John Mill. So East India Company was appoint him as an official because East India Company was very happy with the book written by the James Mill class. So James Mill James Mill want to make their child J.S. Mill a philosopher, a knowledgeful person. So he appoint teacher Bentham, who is also the teacher of John Mill. Class, John Stuart Mill was the son of John Mill. Okay, class. And John Stuart Mill is the son of John Mill, who has written the book The History of British India. And the teacher of John Stuart Mill is Bentham. So after a hard education, he become a philosopher, political thinker class. And he was giving to theory, self-regarding action, and other regarding action. Okay, class. John Stuart Mill is saying कि the state cannot interfere if a person doing any work and only the harms of this work is burdened by bear by a person itself. The state cannot be interfere, should not be interfere. But so this is known as self-regarding action. So on that occasion, state should not interfere. But in the other regarding action, suppose there is two types, minor, major. These are two. Suppose other regarding action is minor, it means कि suppose the anyone is doing any action and there is some effect on another, and second can be tolerate. So this is a minor, but if the state government is involved, only if anyone is taking action, if anyone is doing action and it will badly affected the other person, so there is a need for the constraint of the state government. State government should be interfere on such a matter class. If the side effect effect of any action of a man is influence another, so this is maybe minor. It means it is a too unimportant key we should be know, and we should tolerate it. There is no need to call the police. But sometimes one person is taking action and harm the other, so this is major and there should be required to constraint of the government. Government should be interfere such a matter class. The class, another thing, what is a positive liberty and what is negative liberty? Class, positive liberty and negative liberty. Class, liberty are two types, positive liberty and negative liberty. Suppose first we discuss about negative liberty. Negative liberty means constraint of something, when the state constrain the action of people, okay? If there is a constraint by the state, we can say negative liberty means lackness of foundation is known as negative liberty. And positive liberty means that there is a need for the development of a country. There is a need to development of a person, and only positive liberty is necessary to overall development of a person. So positive liberty are very important class. It provide its improve the capacity, ability, and enhance the working. This is improve the personality. This is known as positive liberty class. And negative liberty means abstain on the freedom by the state class. So there is no differences. Liberty are two types, positive and negative, and both are expressing the same class. Negative liberty means there is constraint on the freedom, lackness of foundation is a negative liberty, and the positive liberty when a person is free to do something, and there is need for the overall development of a person. We are taking by the positive liberty class. So negative and positive liberty both are jointly called liberty. Is need of every person, which enhance the personality of every person, enhance the ability of the society class. Welcome class 11. Today I explain about the positive liberty and negative liberty. Class this first we discuss about negative liberty. Means absence of constraint या lack of foundation is a negative liberty. Every person have a minimum area where the interference of external authority is not possible. Okay, and this minimum area protect the dignity of individual class. The freedom as the absence of external constraint is a negative liberty class. Okay, freedom from external constraint. ठीक है, freedom as a absence of external constraint is a negative liberty class, and freedom as the expansion of opportunity to express oneself is a positive liberty. These are the two types of liberty class. Again I revise कि freedom as the absence of external constraint is a negative liberty, and freedom as the expansion of opportunity to express oneself is a positive liberty class. In the political theory, these have been called the negative and positive liberty. Class negative liberty seek to define and decide an area in which the individual would inviolable. Okay, again I read this paragraph. Negative liberty seek to define and defend an area in which the individual would inviolable. Okay, it means in the negative liberty the minimum area for a person is defined, and it should be defended. Okay, it should be defended by government, and government should not interfere. Okay, in which he or her could do or be or become. Means every person have authority to do what he want in the minimum area. Okay, and no external authority will intervene in this minimum area, and this minimum area is non-interference, area of non-interference. And there is a issue ki this non-interference area is smaller or bigger. If person want to more freedom, it means they have a need more matlab bigger in minimum area where he do what he want to do. And we recognize this as a negative liberty, and every person have a need a minimum area where he should express oneself, and human dignity get matlab minimum area should not be too minimum कि human dignity should be compromised. Okay, कि class every person have a need a minimum area in which he enjoy her life, what he want to wear in a different situation, like in the playground, in a school, in the party. Everyone have a minimum area, and the government should not interfere in the minimum area of a person, where a person live a dignityful life. Class, if we are talking about the positive liberty, so in the positive liberty, it means कि every person have a need some freedom for overall development of his life. ठीक है, individual to develop his or her capability must get the benefit of enabling positive condition in the material, political and social dominant class. Positive liberty discussion have a long tradition from Rousseau, Hegel, Karl Marx, Gandhi, Aurobindo. They are all who draw their aspiration from these thinkers. It is concerned with the looking at the condition and the nature of relationship between the individual and society, of improving their condition. Means class, every person have a need some form of liberty, like a freedom of expression. They have a need some freedom to improve their ability, enhance their capability, got more opportunity. And positive liberty recognize that one can be free only in a society, not outside it. Okay, positive liberty saying everyone have a need to like a freedom of expression, and no, there is no liberty outside the society. Liberty is only possible in within the society, and hence try to make the society such that it enable the development of individual, whereas negative liberty is only concerned with inviolable area of non-interference class. One such a minimum area of non-interference is the freedom of expression class, and no should be suppress the voice of anyone, and we should be respect the expression or thoughts of everyone. The government should not ban the expression of individual class,